If you've ever noticed your iPhone screen turning yellow, you're not alone. This phenomenon can occur due to various reasons, ranging from software glitches to hardware issues. In this video, we will show you how to fix iPhone yellow screen of death. Solution 1. Disable the night shift feature. When enabling the night shift feature on your iPhone, the colors of your display will automatically shift to warmer colors, making the display easier on your eyes. If your iPhone screen looks yellow, you can try to turn night shift feature. Solution 2. Check the True Tone option. After turning night shift off on your iPhone, if the screen still keeps yellow, then you can check the True Tone option. In Settings on your iPhone, tap Display and Brightness, then turn True Tone off, or you can disable True Tone in Control Center. Solution 3. Change the color tint settings. If neither the night shift option nor the True Tone option are the cause of yellow screen of death, you can try to change the color tint settings on your iPhone. In this case, you can adjust color tint to change the hue of the entire display on your iPhone. You can enable the color filter option first, then you can use the slider to adjust your display's hue. Solution 4. Adjust the auto brightness feature. In addition, the auto brightness feature can cause iPhone yellow screen of death at night. Go to Settings, and choose Accessibility. Tap Display and Text Size, then turn off auto brightness. Solution 5. Restart iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve minor software glitches causing the yellow screen of death issue. Solution 6. Update iOS to the latest version. When your iPhone is out of date, there would happen the yellow screen of death issue. Go to Settings, choose General, then tap on Software Update. Find an available update and tap Download and Update. After downloading the updates, enter the passcode and tap Install Now. Solution 7. Reset all settings on iPhone. Resetting all settings on your iPhone can help eliminate configuration errors that may be contributing to the yellow screen of death issue. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Enter your screen lock passcode and tap Reset all settings to confirm. Solution 8. Use an iOS repairing tool. When the yellow screen of death issue is caused by software glitches or bugs, you can also use an iOS repairing tool to fix the issue effectively while not deleting any data on your iPhone. Here I will show you how to use MagFone iOS System Recovery to fix yellow screen of death on iPhone. Launch MagFone iOS System Recovery on your computer, then use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer. On the interface of MagFone software, select iOS System Repair, then click Start and select Standard Repair. After your device is detected by MagFone software, you can check the device information appearing on the screen. Manually correct the device information and click the download button to get the firmware package for your device. When the firmware package is downloaded to your computer, click the repair button to initiate the process of fixing the iPhone yellow screen of death issue. Wait for a while, and your device will automatically reboot. Solution 9. Factory Reset iPhone. Resetting your iPhone to the original state can be a good option to fix the yellow screen of death issue. Go to Settings, tap General and scroll down to tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings, then tap Continue to proceed. Solution 10. Restore iPhone via iTunes. If the yellow screen of death issue persists, you may need to restore your iPhone in recovery mode using iTunes or Finder. Solution 11. Contact Apple support. If the aforementioned steps do not resolve the issue, it's advisable to seek assistance from an authorized Apple service provider or visit an Apple store for further diagnosis and repair.